Yes,
Evet.
it is
Mescid-i
a
Cami.
central mosque.
Dedik
What are
Efendimiz
these
var.
monuments?
Atatürk
Yes,
üstü akıl
this is the
hastanesi.
Atatürk, a sailor,
Atatürk üstünün yanında
and a
iki tane bayan
lady
ve
carrying
bir
flowers.
bayan ve bir fenerci deniz
How
feneri.
happy is
Ne mutlu
the one
diyelim.
who says, I am
Yazımız da
a
var. Şimdi
Turk.
yavaş yavaş şuradan
Let's walk
hareket
from
edelim.
here
Şuradan
slowly,
yürüyelim
slowly,
ve
and go to
limana
the
doğru gidelim.
port.
Öncelikle
First of all, good morning everybody. I came from
Peki,
Fethiye to
Göcek'e
Göcek.
geldik. Bugün
Today I see the
biraz
port.
buraları görüp
After that, we continue our way. But first of all, let's see the Göcek.
göstereyim.
I came to the port. Oh,
Burada yüzlerce
there are many boats here.
bot var.
Really, very much.
Bunlar hala
A lot of boats here.
yakın.
They are in the winter sleeping. I think when the season is open, this street will be full of the people. Oh, this is the famous place that I saw in the Google map. Yeah, really, here is a fantastic place. It seems it is closed, but it is really a fantastic place. Here you can go inside with a boat. Here is the belonging private persons, the private peoples. You see these villas. They can go the villas with their own boat. A small boat, sure, not a big boat, right? They can go their home with a boat.
Evler aynı şey gibi.
You see, here just look like Venedig, Italy. Yeah, really. It is here just look like Venedig. I saw it before in a video in YouTube. Here, I wish it. I go inside.
Botlar. Dalmatia, Lefkas, Borik, Gülova, Turkish, and so weiter and so weiter. So this is the Göcek. Hoş geldiniz. Welcome. Okay. Canal regulation. You can come to canal. Okay. Ey dost, hoş geldin Marmaris denen cennete. Dünyanın en güzel yeri olan ve sana bağrını açan o eşsiz koyları gezerken bu emanetsiz güzelliği, bu temiz ve yeşil cenneti bizden sonra geleceklere aynen ve tertemiz bırakmayı sakın unutma. Çöpünü atma ve sakın ateş yakma. Sadun Boro. Hi friends. Yeah, behind of me there is the Marmaris. Finally, I came here. You know, this is the first time for me also. Marmaris. Welcome to the Marmaris. Marmaris is near Dalaman, and it's belonging the border. It's a touristical city here. It's a touristical city. And during the summertime, here is many tourists. I think the population increased 10 times. I don't know exactly, but it will be very crowded. The Marmaris city, yeah, it's the Marmaris city. It is really interesting city. Also, I come to here first time. Before I have not been here. This is for me also is the first time. I know only the Marmaris is a very well-known city for English people. That means here there are many English people. They are living here. Also, they come here for holiday. And sometimes they say it's an English city. It's an English city, really English city, because a lot of Englander or English people are living here. And because of the war in Russia, Ukraine, and then also there are many people are coming here to live here, to stay here, and to work here online. Now, later I go there to see how it looks like. Maybe I go to the city center and to see. I'm not sure whether I stay this night here, I have no idea, but probably I will stay because it is now, it's late, 1 o'clock something else, 1 o'clock 30. That's why I probably will stay there here for one night. Then I go further. Evet gençler.
Yes, friends. Now I come outside to the streets. Now I want to see what they are offering, what I can see here.
Hadi görüşürüz. Ne? Veriyor. Marmaris bize ne veriyor? Bir bakalım. Şöyle biraz dolaşalım. Ve Marmaris'i inceleyelim biraz. Yani Marmaris sonunda Marmaris'e gelmiş olduk. Böylece.
Information book.
Böylece Marmaris'e de gelmiş olduk. Crowded. Any tourists here? Smoking? Smoking? Evet. Let's Grand Bazaar. Let's go and see what they offer. I think it's all the same everywhere in the world. But let's see. 420 euro per 20 euro, 20 euro. Yeah. T-shirts, shoes. What you want to buy. And it gives mama. Yeah. 12 euro. Yeah. Please 12 euro.
Büyük lazım ha.
100 euro t-shirt. Sorry, Riviera. And that is around 5 euro. And the t-shirt 10, 8 euro. Yeah. Burası gerçekten kapalı çarşı. İnsanlar burada böyle her şey var. Yani ne alırsan var. Ne ararsan var. Ama pek fazla da turist yok şu anda. Sezon dediklerine göre Mayıs'ın sonundaymış arkadaşlar. Yani Mayıs'ın sonunda sezon gerçekten açılıyormuş burada. Yani Mayıs'tan sonuna kadar burada pek yarım sezon diyelim artık. Yani tam açılmadığı için yani restoranların olduğu bir yer ki olması da gerekir tabii ki. Burası hep yiyecek şey yeri. Ha? Yani tekstil mağazaları, ondan sonra hediyelik eşya mağazaları. İşte bitiyor. Tişörtler arkadaşlar 5 eurodan başlıyor. Değişik tişörtler yani 5 euro. Evet, sadece bir tane mi? Abi olması gerekiyor yani insanlar ne içiyor? Yani ne içiyor bu insanlar? Çek olur mu? Merhaba hemşerim. Burada restoranların olduğu cadde yok.
Restoranların olduğu cadde, yat limanında
Bilmem.
sırf balık restoranı var.
Öyle mi?
Böyle
Güzel.
sokağın bittiği yerden şöyle dolaştığın zaman sırf restoran.
Tamam. Yani turistleri şey yapıyor herhalde. Kızım soğuk değil mi ya? Nasıl geziyorsun? Bir dakika mı? Bir saatlik şey var. Bir saat sonra şeyi boşaltabiliriz arkadaşlar. Evet, bu orası ne? Şimdi şurası dönüştü. Burası dönüştü. Şimdi bakalım neler var. Yani bu kafe ve bar. Gidelim bakalım kafe olur. Gidelim. Biraz İngilizce konuşalım, tamam mı? Şimdi friends, we are now in the Marmaris and I'm walking through the seaside, beach side, and to see whether there are some nice restaurants here. Ya bu soğuk ya. Mutfak için arkadaşlar bu soğuk. Yazık değil. Evet. Demek ki this mood part, this is very famous. It is very famous. I think they do this. Yeah, it is very famous. It looks, yeah. But this is the port. Marmaris port. Everywhere is a restaurant. I think it is open evening. Not now. And in addition, now it is very cold. I feel already cold. On the prices, how is the prices? Let's see the prices. Yeah? Let's see what they have. Ya salata şeyden başlıyor. Okay.
Do you add a cheese to it, the bowl?
Yeah. Many. But price is also many. No, yeah, this cannot change it. Oğlum dönmeye başlamıştım lan. As you see, everywhere is the restaurant. Everywhere. This area, all are restaurant. Maybe later. Here there are boats, and then you can make a boat tour. There are now winter sleep. Yeah, you can see it's the winter sleep, friends. So, as you see, yeah, nothing to see. Okay. Anyway, we see the port now. Then I can close my camera. Okay. Because it's already seen everything. The port is port like everywhere. Then we don't need to continue.
Yes, friends, I find finally a restaurant. Now I am eating Iskender kebab. It is really lekker. Good appetit. See you next video.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts.